Good morning everybody. Today we're having a wander out from the hotel and we're going to have a walk along towards Morro Jable, and I'm going to take you with us as we check out some of the shops and some of the things to see. Behind me there you'll find a little park area, and that's full of different bird species. There is a nature reserve over the other side of the road, however most of the birds seem to congregate on this side. So we'll have a walk through now. You can see a lot of the souvenir type shops, clothing shops, things like that. Pretty much anything you want to buy you find here.
So many things you left there.
Letzten Kilometer unseres Riesenspazierens.
Noch 8. Let's get people on, see what else is taking to offer. And you know, we don't go up back there, okay?
So apparently Tortuga is a nightclub here. Not that we'll be bothering that, I don't think. Over the road there's a taxi rank, so handy if you want to get back to the hotel. And then I've got the lighthouse and more shops along here. Plenty of cafes and things to get something to eat at, plenty of shops to spend your money in. Plenty of aloe vera products as well, which the Canaries are famous for. A lot of sort of posher looking women's clothing shops, plenty of jewelers at this end of the strip.
Next time, I can see what we will talk to Saturday. All about that.
And of course a handbag shop.
How are you? All good. Pardon? No, I just need to meet somebody.
Now this shop wasn't open the other day when we came past, but it's open today. So lots of character type stuff, type things kids would like. we're about to head a little bit further down into town. Plenty of amusements here, ideal keep the kiddies happy. And check that out, if you're an F1 fan, you'll recognise that that is the livery from the Renault team. I think that was the last time Fernando Alonso won the World Championship. Now this hotel here, Faro Jandia, ideal. You're right across from the beach and straight in the centre of town. Something perhaps for us to consider if we come back to this part of Fuerteventura. We've got plenty more shops there selling beach towels and all sorts of other things. We've got some more perfumeries there at the background. And it's an absolutely beautiful day here in Fuerteventura. Another jeweller's here. Looks quite an expensive one, given the shop front. Ideal. So yeah, if you see over the other side of the road there are some sculptures. These line all the way along the seafront. So there's loads of different bits of public art. Got the mint shop there, full of clothing and handbags and things. And then we'll continue walking along. This is Atlantica Boulevard there, and as ever, every time you come to Spain, there's always a nail hop or alley hop. I don't even know how you pronounce it, but you'll recognise the store from the big cows. Another perfume shop. There are absolutely loads here in Fuerteventura. Every town seems to have at least 2 or 3. Sunglasses shop there, handy in this weather. Another fashion shop. As I say, it's all pretty much the same type of shops. Lots of clothing shops, jewellers, souvenir shops. Pretty much all the same type of thing. More shops there, high-end stuff again. Walk by Fund Group. Now this is a shop I've wanted to visit. So yeah, this shop's been on a few vlogs now, and it's all handmade on the premises, family owned business. Food, sweets look absolutely fantastic. However, my doctor says no. So unfortunately I'm going to have to pass, but it does look absolutely fantastic. All the nuts and things like that, sort of peanut brittle and other things. Fortunately, my blood sugar levels say no. Hilfiger shop. And then we've got another koala bear. More public art on the other side of the road there. And we've got an F1 car in the shop there.
Las camisas, mira.
This is pretty much Souvenir Row. Nearly all the shops along here seem to be souvenir shops. A couple of bars as well.
Banana?
So again, plenty of clothes shops along here, and that's pretty much it, I think. Hyperdino at the end here. Bars. So folks, that brings us pretty much to the end of the strip where all the shops are here in Morro Jable, and hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.